Odum's idea is what? That a stability is function of ecosystem maturity. It's a function of ecosystem's maturity. It's a function of okay, the vegetation community, okay, in balance with environment. That's why we said that climax communities are more stable. This is Odum's idea. Whereas Macarthur and Elton's idea is that a stability is a function of diversification of energy and nutrition paths. What is Odum's idea and what is Macarthur and Elton's idea? Okay, so energy flow. If the flow is linear, अगर ऐसे linear flow है, imagine if somebody breaks this link, won't the energy flow break up? If the flow is cut, won't the flow stop? But अगर diversified है, so energy pathway का ये भी path है. This also is a path. This also is a path. This also is a path. So even if you break one pathway, the other paths will maintain the ecosystem. If there's the animal A feeding on B, feeding on C, feeding on D, okay, like this. So if one of the pathway is broken, okay, then you'll find all of these will go extinct. But agar diversification hai, this can feed on this, this can feed on this, this can feed on this, this can feed on, agar network hai, then even if one pathway is cut off, the system can survive. That's the idea. Okay? So Macarthur and Elton say that stability is a function of diversification of energy and nutrition paths. Whereas Odum says that stability is a function of ecosystem maturity. Energy flow is unidirectional, that's right. But in unidirectional also, we can have this. Basically, energy can't reverse. But energy can flow like this, energy can flow like this, energy can flow like this, no problem. So it is unidirectional, does not mean it can't have more than one path. This is one of the examples of loose connections. Okay? So what happens is that stability is therefore a function of the vegetation community in balance with the environment. This is what is called as climax community, in balance with the environment.